This video will cover how to record assignments in the gradebook. Tap on the A+ icon on the main screen to load the gradebook. You can see there are no assignments available right now. Simply tap the plus button and select New Assignment at the bottom. Go ahead and type in an assignment name. I'll call this test number 1. Give it a point value. In this case, I'll set it to be 100. And you can choose a date. The option here for absent is if you want to mark students absent for the assignment based on the attendance date here, you could do that. I'm going to leave that for now. And if you also want to copy the assignment to other classes, if you teach the same class later in the day, you could go ahead and do that. Click Save on the top right, and there you go. To add information, simply go ahead and tap on any empty place, and you can assign a score very easily. You can also add comments if you want, like missing note card, something like that. And then you can click Save, and that'll close it. Or the other option, if you go back, is you can click Next, and the next student will load up. Here, I'll go ahead. And then also, there's some other options. So on the next one, if you tap on the 3 dots to the right, you have missing, absent, and exempt. So missing and absent both are in the red there, showing that that's something negative. And then exempt would be if a student, let's say, joined your class late or didn't have to do a certain assignment, and that'll show up there. All right, so very easily that's done there. You can also tap there and add comments directly later on. And then to get more information about the assignment, tap the assignment header, and you can go ahead and there's back to viewing the details. You can autofill any empty values. There's an assignment report, and you can also delete the assignment. There's also some more settings. If you tap the settings icon and select grades, you have the option here of selecting the color that shows up based on the percent of the grade, and you can tap and edit that percentage to a different value if you like. All right. There's also a standards-based grading system, so I'll switch to class 2 here. If you tap on the chalkboard icon at the top and select grade options, you'll see the grading system. There's an option of points or standards. I've set this class to standards. Under settings and grades again, you can tap on the standards options, and you can have up to 5 standards. Here I've set 4: exceeding, meeting, approaching, and beginning. So if you do use standards and want to grade this way, you assign them a certain percentage as well. And now, when I come and add a new assignment, the default value is out of 100 points there. And so if I call this, I'll just call it standard 1. Who knows what that is? Now, when you come here and select the grades, instead of entering points, you'll be able to select the different options of your standards grading there. All right, you have to use one of or the other. So either your class is going to be in standards or in points grading. But hopefully that's an option for those teachers that are using that. And again, you can edit in the grade section there the point value and the abbreviation and the main value there. All right, so there's the quick way for grades. You'll also see that under the student, there lists the percent grade of the student overall, and also the number of missing assignments. So you see if I switch this to missing, for Amy over here, there's a 1. So you can quickly look down and see which students are missing assignments. And you can also sort students by grade. And then you can see the students with the highest grade will be on top, the lowest on the bottom, to really easily see that. All right. There's also an option to do categories and weighting, and that's covered in a different tutorial, but you'll see there's a whole section on that. So you can watch that tutorial if you're interested in the categories and weighting. All right, thank you.